Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing data and resetting the processor state. Back up your recent files to cloud or a PC. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% or plug in. Next, perform a force restart. Hold power and volume down for 10 to 15 seconds until the device reboots. This clears transient system locks and frees stuck apps. If the screen responds slowly after reboot, proceed right away to app and storage checks to avoid repeated hangs. Once restarted, you inspect apps and storage because clogged storage and rogue apps cause most hangs. Go to Settings, check running apps or battery usage to find CPU or memory hogs, uninstall or disable those apps. Then clear app cache for any app showing errors. This removes temporary files that can stall processes. Also free device storage. Delete large media or move to cloud until you have at least 15% free. These steps reduce background. If hangs continue, update software because patches fix memory leaks and driver bugs, update the system and all apps, then reboot. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. If stable, remove recent apps. As a final step, perform a factory reset after backing up everything. This restores system defaults and removes deep corruption. If reset still fails, check hardware. Overheating, failing storage, or battery problems often masquerade as software hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.